Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss the I need more time option for the after call work timer. What this allows you to do, if you're wrapping up a call, is to give you a little bit more time than that of the default. The default, of course, is 30 seconds. Depending upon what you've selected and customized this to be, I need more time can be anything from a minute, 2 minutes, whatever you see fit for the number of snoozes in which you allow the customer to have. This will go through step by step on how to configure this custom amount of time for the after call work timer. If you would please direct your attention to the admin portal section under admin system, system settings, and then voice agent, you'll go down to after call work timer, the second option down, click the ellipsis tool, and note that there are snooze duration and max snoozes. So by default, 30 seconds is the snooze that allows you to have 30 more seconds to snooze to give you a little bit more time. And of course, the max snoozes allow you to do that 5 times. I believe by default that is 3, but you can change that to whatever you want, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. However you want to allow that for the agent, it gives them that many snoozes. Once that snooze allocation is done, it'll gray out and not allow the agent to use the snooze option any longer. That is how you change the snooze duration as well as the number of snoozes allowed for the agent.